We're making some number plates. This was a no trespassing sign. Pretty thick plastic. It was yellow. Painted the back side black, front side white. This can of stands at my circle. These are some of those cheapy numbers you can get. Walmart. It's got the reflective background. We're gonna cut all this out. Yeah, I think so. All right, so now we just gotta line this up.
Yeah, I seen the batteries were out of it. So,
Drill a hole. This is just an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work. Alright, this is kind of what we're thinking. Make this out of aluminum or some thin sheet metal. What we can do, make us a fake gas tank. Paint's still wet. Did you get the idea? Nice little gas tank. I think we might be able to make that work. If we build that out of tin. Well, there you go. Custom beach cruiser. Now you can park with the big dogs, not be embarrassed. Seeing how it was picked out of the trash. A couple inner tubes. Throw a few parts at it. Some new grips. Different seat. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.